Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. So your one jatara completed, right? One examination, that is main important examination, that GATE is completed. So many people have got different people have got which one, this different kinds of this scores in this GATE, you can say, right? So now next stage of that is what is the next stage, you can say, we'll be estimating, right? Arey yaar kitna rank milta hai humko, right? What is your rank, right? So Unacademy has started this given this rank predictor. Anyway, based on this rank predictor you can get this rank, approximate estimated rank. And suppose इतना rank मिले तो किधर admission मिलेगा, उतना rank मिले तो किधर admission मिलेगा, right? Where I'll get admission, right? For this rank, that rank, for marks, right? Like that you'll be having this doubts now, isn't it? So to clear all your doubts only, I am just taking this session, if you just observe of it. Okay, so best possible colleges for your GATE score or this GATE rank, you can say, is not. So you'll be seeing what are the best possible colleges possible for you, right? Now if you just consider it, what is it we have to consider, everyone? Now here these are actually we'll be considering this. So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone is ready? You crack, right? Somebody has cracked already, somebody will be ready to crack, yes na? You just always be ready, right? Once GATE is over, you be ready for the next exam to be cracked, right? That is ES examination, na, everyone. So those who are not following my profile, you can just follow my profile in Unacademy by scanning this QR code, everyone. And whenever you are taking this admission into offline or online, use the referral code RPCV, you can say, right? Just scan this QR code and you can join in our Telegram channel, if you just observe, right? Now this Unacademy GATE offline center is going to be started, and from March onwards, right? In the March month, that a new batch is going to be started, all of you. So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. In the March month you will be having which one, this new batch will be starting, right? Offline, there is a first offline batch will be starting for which one, this is civil engineering, you can say, right? So these are all this is 33% off you are having, early bird offer. Now there are various discounts you can get it here, right? Based on this based on your requirement, right? Based on the category you belong to, you can say, is not. So you can just scan this QR code and you will be getting the live experience of this. And one important thing, right? What is that very important thing, all of you? On 20th February at 7 PM, you will be having this 100% scholarship test on offline subscription. Test will be online and the last date to register will be tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the last date to register, everyone. You can just scan this QR code and register for this test, all of you, right? And what is the test location, you can say? Test will be at which one? For admission of what? Offline center in Delhi. So this scholarship test is mainly for offline admissions in Delhi, right? And this test mode is online, you can say. You will be getting up to 100% scholarship, right? So don't miss this, all of you, everyone. No, we'll be starting this offline now. No, these are all the benefits you'll be getting for this offline coaching, you can say, everyone. Early bird offer is also available, all of you, right? You can just don't miss this opportunity, everyone. And these are the other batches, right? Online batches, right? Udaan and this Buniyaad batches were already started. So these are your Udaan and this Buniyaad batches started, you can see, if you just observe, right? These are for which one? 2024 and this 2025, you can say, right? So whenever you are subscribing to them, right, what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil, always. And these are the batches starting on February 17th, that is today, right? Today itself these batches are being started now. So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. Buniyaad batch for 2025 also started today, right? Ignite batch and foundation batch. Ignite batch for 2024 English, foundation batch for 2025 English, or these are all started, you can say, right? So now engineering, mathematics and general aptitude batch is also starting. 3999 only you can have. And limited period offer is present, that is you can save up to this 30% off on your subscriptions when you are subscribing between this 16th February to this 21st February, all of you. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity, everyone. These are all the features you can say, right? These are the differences between center, iconic, plus and light subscriptions, right? Now coming to this best possible colleges according to your scoring gate, right? So you will be having idea na, अरे यार रैंक प्रिडिक्टर्स आया था एंड गेट स्कोर आया था, राइट? अप्रॉक्सीमेटली एस्टिमेटेड गेट स्कोर वी हैव गॉट फ्रॉम अनअकैडमी रैंक प्रिडिक्टर, एंड फ्रॉम दैट वी वांटेड टू एस्टिमेट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली व्हिच कॉलेज इज पॉसिबल टू गेट, यस ना? Which college is possible to get from that, is not, isn't it? Now here if you just consider, right, according to this 2022 data, whatever the marks you are getting according to the rank, according to the marks you will be getting which one, this different ranks you can say, right? So here rank 1 to 10 civil engineering के लिए 90 plus marks आया था ना, ऐसा ना? So 10 to 50, 85 to 90 in between आया था, right? CSE 75 to 80 only, right? EC 67 to 73 only, right? So what is that you can say? Highest marks will be very important or not? Highest marks will be very much important, you can say, right? Highest marks, based on the highest marks only your other rank marks will be decided, right? Here highest marks is 73 and rank 1 to 10 73 plus, right? So 10 to 50, that is 67 to 73 only we are getting. But here in civil, if you just observe 2022, highest marks 90 plus marks you have got, and for 10 to 50, what is that you can say? 85 to this 90 only, right? Highest marks will be deciding which one. Yeah, Bhagat Kumari, hi. Highest marks will be deciding what you can say? They will be deciding the marks required for other ranks, na? Definitely, right? Marks required for other ranks, right? This is the story of civil, you can say. And cutoff, if you just observe, there are two types of this cutoffs you are having, right? What are these two types of cutoffs, all of you? Yeah, good afternoon. What are the two types of this cutoffs you can say, everyone? There are gate qualifying cutoffs and admission gate cutoffs, right? ये दोनों का difference क्या है? गेट क्वालिफाइंग कट ऑफ बोले तो क्या? गेट क्वालिफाइंग कट ऑफ बोले तो क्या? What is that you can say? Just it is which one? Eligibility cutoff. Just it will be telling which one? Eligibility cutoff for what? Yes, eligibility cutoff, right? Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll show the previous cutoffs, and based on that I'll tell you. Don't worry. Okay, Abhinay. So here qualifying gate cutoff बोलो तो क्या? Just whether you have qualified or not. That's it, right? Eligibility cutoff for which one? Admission into which units? Admission, right? So what does that mean? If you are getting this qualifying marks only, you are eligible for which one? This applying for admissions. Admission gate cutoff बोलो तो क्या? What is that admission gate cutoff? These are your final opening and this closing ranks, na? Opening and this closing score of which one? Of this particular institutes, na? Of various institutes, you can say, right, like that, is na? Eligibility cutoff बोले तो क्या? Suppose if you are just getting the score as 350, so 350 is mentioned as the eligibility cutoff, or just for an example, some 30 marks, 30.12 marks we have got, is not? Yes, right, definitely I'll tell you, right? First you should know what is the cutoff, right? Which cutoff you are asking, Sudhanshu? That qualifying cutoff you are asking or admission cutoff के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं आपने? Abhinay and Sudhanshu. So you should know the difference ना. Qualifying cutoff बोले तो क्या? हमको इतना मार्क्स मिले तो हम एलिजिबल है, राइट? किसको एलिजिबल है? एडमिशन के लिए अप्लाई करने के लिए एलिजिबिलिटी आता है क्वालिफाइंग कट ऑफ मार्क्स से वजह से. और एडमिशन मिलता है क्या इस मार्क्स आए तो? नो. If you are just getting this qualifying marks, you are eligible for applying in institutions, but after applying in institutions, whether you are getting selected or not, it is different issue. Is not? Qualifying does not give admission. You have to be careful. Just qualifying cutoff will not give admission. Okay, for different institutes you are having which one, this is different to opening score and this closing score. Okay, depending upon the specialization, structure score, transportation ka, geotechnical ka, right? So like that, environmental ka, water resources ka, different in different institutes and different specializations means different cutoffs रहते हैं ना, admission cutoffs, but qualifying cutoff एक ही रहता है, is ना? If you are just crossing these marks ना, general category, OBC, SC, ST है तो, if you are just crossing this, you are eligible to apply for admissions, but you get admission or not, it is not guaranteed. It is again different, you can say, is ना? So the difference is clear, everyone. Qualifying cutoff or this eligibility cutoff, दोनों का फर्क, is ना? Is that clear, everyone? Just qualifying marks only, right? Just qualifying marks only will be given by this qualifying cutoff, and whether you are getting admission or not, it is decided by this admission cutoff, you can say, is na? Now if you just observe, हमारा favorite question, right? Sir, civil का cutoff कितना होगा? ये कौन सा वाला cutoff? ये qualifying वाला cutoff, right? ये qualifying वाला cutoff के बारे में हम discuss कर रहे हैं. So GATE सिविल ये सिविल का स्कोर है, इस ना? जनरल कैटेगरी में गेट 2020 का कितना 30.4 मार्क्स, ओबीसी 27.3 मार्क्स, एससी एसटी फिजिकली हैंडिकैप्ड 20.2 मार्क्स, राइट? सो 2021 का 29.2, 26.2, 22, 32.9, 29.6 and 21, right? 26.9, 24.2 and 17.9, right? So now if you just observe, based on this, what is that expected cutoff for this GATE 2023? Expected cutoff for GATE 2023 हम लिख सकते हैं क्या? नहीं, इससे हम लिख सकते हैं ना, ऐसा नो, we can just write this based on this, right? It is around which one? 27, 26, 25, 28, 26, 32, right? So what does it mean? You can say it will be, yeah, because people are feeling paper is a little difficult, right? Paper is a little tough this time. Whenever the paper is a little tough this time, so lesser cutoff will be there, right? Around 25, right? It will be around 25 to 30 for which category? General category hoga. Is that clear? Because paper is a little tough. Many students are giving the feedback that paper is a little tough. Based on your feedback, you can expect general category 25 to 30 marks for cutoff you can expect. Okay? And OBC? OBC कितना होगा? So 20 to 27 marks होगा mostly, right? Yes ना? 20 to 27 होगा, right? And SC, ST or this PWD physically or PH physically handicapped one, it will be further lesser na? Yes or no? It will be further lesser होगा, right? So how much it can be? That 19 to this 25 it can be, 19 to which one? This 20 to 23. It will be in between these two, okay? Like that. Or mostly from 17, right? 17 to 23 इसके बीच में आएगा, right? Like that. Based on this and based on the toughness or hardness of this paper, you can say what is that you can expect. For general category 25 to 30 marks के बीच में आएगा, OBC को 20 to 27 marks के बीच में आएगा, SC ST उसके further lesser, okay? Further lesser, right? 17 to 23 marks के बीच में आएगा, right? Like that. Is that clear? This is a expected cutoff for GATE 2023. कौन सा वाला कट ऑफ है वो एक्सपेक्टेड? ये एडमिशन वाला कट ऑफ है क्या और ये क्वालिफाइंग वाला कट ऑफ, राइट? क्वालिफाइंग वाला कट ऑफ ना, ऐसा ना, क्वालिफाइंग वाला कट ऑफ, राइट? क्वालिफाइंग वाला कट ऑफ बोले तो क्या? क्वालिफाइंग वाला कट ऑफ बोले तो क्या? Just you are eligible to apply for admission, that's it, right? You will not be getting any admission. We don't know whether you are getting admission or not, but you are just eligible to apply for admissions, right? You are eligible to apply for admissions, right? Like that. Eligibility मिलेगा, ऐसा ना? Yes, sir. Shift 2 में sir normalizing होगा. Yes, absolutely. Because shift 1 is which one? Little easy. I have observed the paper now while we are preparing the key. Shift 1 is a little bit easy, but shift 2 is a little bit, which one, this is a little tough you can say, right? So normalization dono milkar they will be just doing that normalization based on the highest marks. Actually what they will do is, Sudhanshu, based on the highest marks, suppose in shift 1 you are getting which one, this 92 marks highest, in shift 2 you are getting 75 marks highest. So then what they will do, they will just bring this 72 marks to this 92 marks and they will be just doing that normalization for this second paper. Okay, like that they will be doing. Okay, based on the difficulty level of this paper they will do it. Okay, based on the highest marks obtained in both sets they will be doing the normalization, right? And here if you just consider what is it, you can say admission cutoff चाहिए ना हमको. सो गेट क्वालिफाइंग कट ऑफ मिला था हमको, राइट? जनरल कैटेगरी में 25 to 30 मार्क्स मिले तो क्वालिफाई हो जाएगा, राइट? ओबीसी में 20 to 27 मिले तो क्वालिफाई हो जाएगा, राइट? एससी एसटी पीडब्ल्यूडी में 17 to 23 मिले तो क्वालिफाई हो जाएगा, राइट? सो नाउ इफ यू जस्ट कंसिडर एडमिशन कट ऑफ तो चाहिए ना हमको. व्हाई वी नीड दिस एडमिशन कट ऑफ एवरीवन? बिकॉज वी जस्ट वांटेड टू चेक, सो कौन सा कॉलेज में मिलेगा ना हमको एडमिशन. सो 17 to 23 अप्रोक्सीमेटली यू आर हैविंग, राइट? सो इफ यू जस्ट ऑब्जर्व एडमिशन कट ऑफ, admission cutoff expected, right? How these values are given? Based on the previous, right? Based on previous experiences, right? Based on this previous cutoff, right? Based on this previous cutoff, I am just giving the list, you can say, right? So IIT Bombay के लिए ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में वो जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए that 550, ओबीसी के लिए, ओबीसी नॉन क्रीमी लेयर के लिए 495, और एससी और एसटी और विच वन दैट पीडब्ल्यूडी, राइट? इसके लिए 367, राइट? लाइक दैट. सो जनरल और ओबीसी में इतना फर्क नहीं होता है, राइट? जस्ट स्मॉल डिफरेंस ओनली विल बी देयर, यू कैन से, राइट? जियोटेक में 550, 495, 367, वाटर रिसोर्सेस में 500, 450 एंड 333, स्ट्रक्चर्स में 600, 540 एंड 400, ओशन इंजीनियरिंग में 500, 450 एंड 333, राइट? लाइक दैट. सो डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज के लिए एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ फॉर दिस आईआईटी बॉम्बे विल बी लाइक दिस, राइट? आपका स्कोर इसका ज्यादा है तो एडमिशन मिलेगा, नहीं तो एडमिशन नहीं मिलेगा, राइट? या दिस इज द लास्ट राउंड वाला, यस, लास्ट राउंड वाला, यस. Final cutoffs that are based on the previous experience. I am writing this, okay? Approximately estimated, right? These are not exactly but approximately nearby, okay? And IIT Delhi के बारे में जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए, एंड दिस इज ओबीसी के लिए, ये एससी के लिए, ये एसटी के लिए, और ये क्या है पीडब्ल्यूडी के लिए, ओके? लाइक दैट. सो दिस आर द कट ऑफ्स, राइट? आईआईटी दिल्ली में बहुत ज्यादा कट ऑफ है ना, ऐसा ना? आईआईटी बॉम्बे से कंपेयर करें तो ना, स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियरिंग में 600 कट ऑफ था, इधर स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियरिंग में कितना कट ऑफ, राइट? 820 कट ऑफ है, राइट? फॉर जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए, राइट? सो विच इंस्टीट्यूशन इज हैविंग मोर कंपटीशन फॉर स्ट्रक्चर्स, आईआईटी दिल्ली या आईआईटी बॉम्बे? आईआईटी दिल्ली विल बी हैविंग दैट मोर कंपटीशन ना, ऐसा ना? सो हम चेक करना है, राइट? सो चेक करके कौन सा इंस्टीट्यूट को अप्लाई करना है, कौन सा इंस्टीट्यूट को अप्लाई नहीं करना है, डिसाइड कर लो इससे, ऐसा? Because IIT Bombay okay, but IIT Delhi these are difficult, right? Because the cutoff values are very much larger, you can say. Cutoff scores if you just observe. Structures compare करें तो जनरल कैटेगरी में 820 मिनिमम कट ऑफ था IIT दिल्ली में, IIT बॉम्बे में कितना 600 है ना जनरल कैटेगरी में. सो IIT बॉम्बे में एडमिशन इजीली मिला था, IIT दिल्ली में नहीं मिला था एडमिशन, ऐसा? IIT कानपुर बोले तो स्ट्रक्चर्स कंपेयर करेंगे हम, राइट? ये जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए कितना 561, जनरल ओबीसी, दिस इज एससी, दिस इज योर एसटी, राइट? 561 है, राइट? जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियरिंग में कट ऑफ आईआईटी कानपुर का, राइट? सो कैसा हुआ था? दिल्ली टॉप में, दिल्ली के बाद आईआईटी कानपुर, आईआईटी कानपुर के बाद क्या है आईआईटी बॉम्बे हुआ था, राइट? लाइक दैट दे हैव गिवन प्रेफरेंस लाइक दिस ना मेनी पीपल प्रीवियसली, राइट? इवन जियो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स में हायर कट ऑफ था, राइट? ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में भी हायर कट ऑफ था, राइट? है ना? सो आईआईटी कानपुर में ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में कट ऑफ ज्यादा है, राइट? आईआईटी दिल्ली में ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में 709, राइट? आईआईटी बॉम्बे में 550, राइट? सो वेरी लेसर कट ऑफ यू कैन से. बट IIT Bombay will be the top institute for transportation, you can say. Okay. Now IIT Kharagpur में कैसे हुआ? So बीच में all IITs ऑब्जर्व करे तो रे पूरा वाला टॉप IITs रहते हैं ना, ये टॉप IITs को ऑब्जर्व करे तो कैसा हुआ वो एडमिशन, राइट? अप्रोक्सीमेटली सेम स्कोर से हुआ था ना, 200 इधर उधर जाकर, है ना? IIT गुवाहाटी के लिए 685 जनरल कैटेगरी में, सो IIT गुवाहाटी में भी बहुत ज्यादा कट ऑफ है ना, ऐसा नो, यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल, राइट? जनरल, OBC, SC एंड ST लाइक दैट. IIT रूरकी में मार्क्स, राइट? सो दिस इज योर जनरल, OBC, SC, ST का और PWD का. सो IIT रूरकी में एडमिशन मिलना इजी है, राइट? स्कोर से कोई अप्लाई करे तो इस बार से डिसाइड होगा या पिछले बार वाला से? नो सर, अगर पिछले बार का स्कोर, राइट, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट विच वन इज प्रीवियस ईयर्स गेट स्कोर, बिकॉज 2 years गेट स्कोर इज वैलिड, दैट इज व्हाट यू आर टेलिंग, राइट? whichever is higher, right, you decide, right, whichever the score is higher you apply with that score, right? So ये पिछले ईयर का स्कोर और दिस ईयर्स का स्कोर, राइट, कौन सा वाला स्कोर हायर है उससे अप्लाई करो, राइट? उससे अप्लाई करो, राइट? प्रीवियस वाला स्कोर अच्छा रहे तो उससे अप्लाई करो, सो दिस ईयर वाला स्कोर अच्छा रहे तो इससे अप्लाई करो, राइट? ऐसा ना, दैट इज बेटर, इट इज बेटर यू अप्लाई विद द हाईएस्ट स्कोर, राइट, whichever you get higher. Okay, so 43, 39, 29, 29 and 30 if you just observe, right, just qualifying marks से थोड़ा ज़्यादा मार्क्स आए तो एडमिशन मिल जाएगा ना IIT रूरकी में. IIT रूरकी इज टॉप 7 IIT, राइट? इट इज वन ऑफ द टॉप 7 IITs ना, ऐसा ना? It is based on the GATE score. Okay, yeah, that is what actually, yeah, Abhinay, some IITs they will mention GATE score, some IITs they will mention GATE marks, right? IIT रूरकी ने marks mention किया था, right? इतना marks आए तो admission के लिए apply करो, right? So और all other IITs they have mentioned which one, इतना score आए तो apply करो, right? Like that. Okay, so it is depending upon the IIT they are calling for admission. Okay, IIT रूरकी is calling based on the marks and other IITs are calling based on the score, you can say, right? It depends. Okay, स्कोर या मार्क्स, राइट, दोनों एक ही है ना, ऐसा नो? सो एक ही कंडीशन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं ना, वो स्कोर ज्यादा है तो मार्क्स भी ज्यादा रहता है ना, ऐसा नो? ये IIT मद्रास का है. मोस्टली मोस्ट ऑफ द IITs दे विल आस्क बेस्ड ऑन दिस स्कोर ओनली, नॉट ऑन द मार्क्स. ओके, मोस्टली बेस्ड ऑन द स्कोर ओनली, नॉट ऑन द मार्क्स. अभिनय, ओके? So general वाला, OBC, SC, ST, EWS, PWD वाला, right, like that. So different category के लिए, right, different cut off marks है ना, ऐसा ना? इससे ज़्यादा आए तो admission मिलेगा, so इससे कम आए तो there are less chances of getting admission, right? If you are getting more than this score ना, you are getting admission easily. Lesser than these scores, less possibility of getting admission, right? Possibilities are there, but less possibilities you can say, yes na? Now general observation. What is the general observation? Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, IISc Bangalore and IIT Bombay में मिलने के लिए for direct admissions, all India rank must be lesser than 100. For admission to the same courses, all India rank must be lesser than or equal to 600. Okay, like that. So it is including all categories, right? It is not for general, it is including all categories. All categories मिलके इस ऐसा आया था, right? Previous observation में. IIT कानपुर, IIT दिल्ली, IIT मद्रास कैसा है? For direct admission, all India rank lesser than 100. For admission to the same course, all India rank lesser than or equal to 300 is required, right? It is based on the previous. IIT Kharagpur में 600 rank के lesser than 600 rank only they have got admission, right? IIT रूरकी, गुवाहाटी, IIT BHU lesser than 1000 rank आया तो admission मिला था, right? NITs, so whenever you are considering NITs, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Patna, all India rank 1500 के 1500 तक आए तो admission मिलेगा. और गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस, नेशनल एंड स्टेट लेवल गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस, ऑल इंडिया रैंक 2500 के 2500 तक एडमिशंस मिलेगा. प्राइवेट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस so koi bhi rank, right, greater than 2500 also they will give the admission, you can say, right. So depending upon your rank you are estimating, you just decide, right, where you are going to get the admission. Okay, mostly where you are going to get the admission, right, like that. Is that clear? So different institutes per different ranks से admission मिलेगा. Okay, now suppose आपका गेट स्कोर वेरी लो है ना, हमारा गेट स्कोर इतना नहीं है. Yes, this is also last round wala, final wala, based on this previous only, right. It is not guaranteed, it is not compulsory, but it is based on the previous admissions, right. It is based on which one? Previous admissions, you can say, right. Abhinay, these are just to give some idea, not exactly like this only, but just to give some idea, अरे कैसा होता है, right, like that. Okay, just to give some rough idea only, right. आसपास में रह गई इससे. और there are certain colleges, if you are getting very low score, right, low gate score बोले तो क्या, किसको हम low gate score बोलते हैं? किसको हम low gate score बोलते हैं? Low gate score is nothing but your marks are lesser than this cut-off marks, ना. If your marks are lesser than or equal to this cut-off marks, इसको low score बोलते हैं, right. So sir, my score is very lesser, but I wanted to do MTech definitely. So I am not concerned about the institute. Just my PG degree is required for me. So whenever you are having such kind of concern, so these are all the institutions offering MTech admission even for a low gate score also. Okay. जैन यूनिवर्सिटी कोयम्बतूर में, एटर्नल यूनिवर्सिटी, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मैनेजमेंट ग्वालियर, लाइक दैट, वो पूरा लिस्ट है, राइट, है ना. ये इस पेज में और इस पेज में और इस पेज में, राइट. दीज आर ऑल द लिस्ट यू आर हैविंग व्हिच वन, दीज आर ऑल द लिस्ट यू आर हैविंग व्हिच वन, with the list of colleges which are giving admission even for less gate score also, right, even for less gate score also admission दे रहा है, right, is ना. Sir, only in IITs we have checked, right. What about the situation in NITs? NITs में कैसा है situation? So these are the top NITs, you can say, if you just right. NIT Tiruchirappalli, Karnataka, Rourkela, Warangal, NIT Calicut, is ना. So NIRF का rank you can say, right. So NIT Allahabad, Jalandhar, Durgapur रहते हैं ना. So NIT Tiruchirappalli के लिए so हमारा कौन सा वाला, you can say, environmental engineering है ना, environmental engineering G1 G2. So here opening ranks if you just observe, right. yes, cut off से qualifying marks और cut off से ऊपर रहेगा तो stipend मिलेगा. yes, absolutely happening. but still बिना stipend हम MTech करना चाहिए तो उस कॉलेजेस दिखा है ना अभी, so उस कॉलेज में एडमिशन ले लो, है ना. just MTech degree, सिर्फ MTech डिग्री के लिए, right. So these are all the open category maximum minimum, EWS maximum minimum, OBC non criminal layer maximum minimum, SC ST, right, like that. ऐसा ऑब्जर्व करें तो एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग बोले तो क्या, सिविल का है ना 800 601. So this is 587 to 576, 635 to 544, 440 to this 368, right, like that it will be there ना. और NIT Trichy में जियो टेक्निकल में 690 to 690, 591 इन बिटवीन जनरल कैटेगरी में, EWS में 594 से 572 तक, राइट, ऐसा. OBC में 590 से 533 तक, राइट, ऐसा स्कोर है तो एडमिशन मिला है ना, ऐसा. नो, लास्ट ईयर दैट इज 2022 इफ यू जस्ट दैट इज फॉर व्हिच वन, NIT तिरुचिरापल्ली, राइट. स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियरिंग को 706 से 679 जनरल कैटेगरी में, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन 6192 that 817, right. So 6192 that 817, right. NITs में ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सेलेक्ट करना है तो वरंगल को सेलेक्ट करो, वरंगल टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में. स्ट्रक्चर सेलेक्ट करे तो NIT Trichy सेलेक्ट करो, राइट. NIT Trichy is top for structures and NIT Warangal is top for transportation, you can say, right. Depending upon that you decide like that. NIT कौन सा NIT? NIT Karnataka if you just observe. So this NIT Karnataka 90% placement record it is having, you can say 90% placement record है NIT Karnataka के लिए. So this if you just observe this 2021 cutoffs, right, like that. Construction management के लिए 698, 587, right, like that. Environmental engineering के लिए 644, 544, geotechnical 616, 547, right? Geoinformatics 672, this 448. So like that, these admissions mila tha na, yes or no? NIT, which one? Like that. Yes, right. NIT में placements है, NIT और IIT में, right? MTech में placements, yes, absolutely. MTech में placements है. मैं भी MTech किया था ना. मेरे कॉलेज में भी placements था. So I have got the second highest, which one, this package in our college at the time. You can say in MTech, but compared to BTech, MTech admissions, MTech placements are lesser, right? If you wanted to go with the placements, you just go with which one? टॉप IITs, अभी दिखा था ना, IITs लिस्ट दिया था ना, उस IITs में एडमिशन ले लो. और टॉप NITs, कौन सा टॉप NITs? NIT वरंगल, NIT तिरुचिरापल्ली, NIT रूरकेला, NIT which one? Calicut, and what is another one? NIT Calicut and NIT Surathkal, right? NIT Surathkal, right? So these 5 NITs you try to prefer, right? You will be having good placements in these 5 NITs. Other NITs also there, but very lesser placements are there. Okay, just to prefer these NITs, you will be having good placements, right? NIT Roorkela, NIT which one? NIT Roorkela, NIT Surathkal, and NIT Warangal, NIT Trichy, and NIT or Calicut बोला था ना, ऐसा ना. So NIT Surat और NIT Allahabad में भी मिल रहा है, but उतना नहीं. Okay, like that. So those are the scores you can say, right? GATE cutoff for this NIT Warangal, right? So open category में, right? Engineering structures बोला था ना, engineering structures में 699 से 644 तक, right? 699 से 644 तक एडमिशन मिला था, right? Environmental को 534 से 591 तक, right? Like that. So remote sensing में भी है ना 456 से 594 तक, right? Like that, if you just observe, right, different institutes are having which one? This is different ones. So what you can understand enough, आपका स्कोर सिविल है तो दूसरे ब्रांच में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं क्या? यस अभिनय कुमार, देर आर इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी admission specializations you are having, right? So for example here remote sensing वाला है ना, remote sensing and geographic information system, right? इसमें सिविल वाला एडमिशन ले सकते हैं और दूसरा ब्रांच वाला भी एडमिशन ले सकते हैं, is ना? Like that, there are certain interdisciplinary courses you are having. उस interdisciplinary courses में अप्लाई करें तो मिलेगा definitely, right? If you are eligible for that, it will be you can get it. Okay, you can get it definitely. But condition is what? That institute has to offer that and you must be eligible for that, right? Like that. So these are all the GATE cutoffs for different ones you can, right? Transportation structures में, इसमें NIT कुरुक्षेत्र में भी 500. So क्या ऑब्जर्व किया था इसमें? जनरल कैटेगरी में, जनरल कैटेगरी में 400 और 450 के ज्यादा स्कोर रहे तो एडमिशन मिलेगा NITs में, नहीं तो नहीं मिलेगा. So OBC 400, OBC भी 400 के ज्यादा, जनरल कैटेगरी को 450 से ज्यादा स्कोर चाहिए. OBC को कितना चाहिए? OBC को 400 से ज्यादा चाहिए, राइट? SC ST PWD बोलो तो 350, राइट? 300, 250 से 350 तक रहेगा, is ना? So depending upon your category, you just decide, right, whether you will be getting admission or not, right? Mostly for general category, what is it you can say? If you observe all these things, right, in this NIT Silchur na, this is your NIT Silchur. So here 400, 355 may be मिला था इसका admission, right? 355 may be मिला था, right? Like that, what is it you can say? 378 may be मिला था, right? Your top NITs है तो 450 से ज्यादा रहना है score definitely. Normal NIT रहे तो, other NITs रहे तो that 350 may be मिलेगा general category के लिए, right? So OBC, SC ST, like that it follows, is ना? Top NITs, if you wanted to get admission, your score must be greater than 450 definitely. Okay, कोई स्पेशलाइजेशन में टॉप NITs में चाहिए तो, राइट? कौन सा वाला टॉप NITs रहता है? NIT तिरुचिरापल्ली, NIT वरंगल, NIT कैलिकट, NIT सूरतकल, है ना? NIT रूरकेला, राइट? ये 5 टॉप NITs है, राइट? है ना? दुर्गापुर ऐसे तो 368 में मिला था, if you just observe geotechnical में 421 में मिला था, like that. So if they are top NITs ना, you require more than 450 for general category. and if they are normal NITs, you can have which one 350 to this 400 also you can get admission, right? Like that you decide. NIT brand तो brand हो जाएगा, NIT दुर्गापुर में स्टडी है तो NIT सिलचर में स्टडी है तो NIT जम्मू कश्मीर में स्टडी है तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपका सर्टिफिकेट के वैल्यू में. ओके, just go with the brand. Okay, if you are not getting admission in which one this good IITs, you go with which one this other IITs also, right? Second level IITs, right? IIT Patna and IIT which one this Hyderabad and IIT BHU, right? So top IITs रहता है ना, IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, like that IIT Kanpur, Kharagpur, IIT Guwahati, right? These top NITs are there na, IISc Bangalore. Apart from this, if you wanted to get, next we have to look at which one, IIT Hyderabad. Okay, IIT Hyderabad, IIT BHU, IIT Patna, IIT Mandi is 4 IITs को consider करो, right? इसमें भी नहीं मिले तो टॉप NITs में चेक करो, right? टॉप NITs में नहीं एडमिशन नहीं मिले तो IIT सूरत, जालंधर, है ना, कुरुक्षेत्र, उसको चेक करो, like that. So like that you just have to give the priority list, you can say everyone, right? You have to give the priority list based on the admissions available and based on the institutes available, right? Suppose if you are just having some doubt, sir, I am getting admission in which one, suppose I am very much okay, suppose if I am getting admission in NIT Tiruchirappalli structures, I am getting admission, and IIT, that normal IIT I am getting which one, this water resources as admission, right? Then which one you have to prefer? Placement point of view, NIT Tiruchirappalli will give good placements compared to that new IITs. Okay, isn't it? Placement point of view, right? Top NITs में structure और transportation मिले तो उसको select करो, है ना? टॉप NITs बोला था ना अभी, टॉप NITs में स्ट्रक्चर NIT मिला, स्ट्रक्चर एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन मिला था, और नॉर्मल वाला IITs में राइट नॉर्मल ब्रांच मिला था, राइट? So then which one we have to give preference? You give preference to this structural engineering in top NITs. Okay, like that you try to select it, right? Is not like that you try to select it, so that placement, because structural engineering will be the one which is having that more career opportunities after your MTech. After that, transportation engineering is the only one which is having next career opportunities after structures. All other branches very less opportunities we are having. Okay, transportation and structures. Yes, we can go for a design, definitely. Yes, we can go for a design, definitely, right? There will be mechanical or civil together. They will be offering some thing na, so no, some interdisciplinary courses they are offering. You can just go for that also, right? Design wala related courses they will be offered, right? Mechanical or civil milker. Okay, and if you wanted to go, you can just go for this PSUs also. If you are having a good score, you can say these are all the various Maharatna, Mini Ratna, Navaratnas, various Ratnas will be offering you job na, is no? So these are all the various civil. Total how much you can say 27 PSUs are offering jobs for civil students. Total kitna 27 PSUs are offering job to the civil students through GATE. Okay, 27 PSUs बोले तो so ये छोटा नंबर है क्या बड़ा नंबर है? ये बहुत बड़ा नंबर है ना, ऐसा no? You cannot neglect it. 27 PSUs are offering, you can say. Generally that salaries in the PSUs will be 6.5 lakh to 11 lakh per annum मिलेगा, is not 1 lakh per month mostly. So these are the different cutoffs for various branches in different years. Okay, Engineers India Limited, NPCL, Mazagon Docks, right? Abhi Mazagon Docks is doing a lot of which one? There is a lot of work na. So lot many new things are developed by this Mazagon Docks, you can say. NHAI, right? BARC, right? Power Grid, NTPC, right? ONGC, like that. We are having different PSUs with different cutoffs for different category, right? And if you are not willing to go for PSUs also, there is one more opportunity, Build India scholarships. L&T will be offering which one? This Build India scholarship test. You just apply that test, qualify हुए तो, right? If you are getting selected, you will be doing MTech in IIT Delhi and IIT Chennai through which one? Through this L&T. Okay, with the GATE score you must qualify the GATE and you apply for their examination scholarship test. Then if you are qualifying them and if you are selected, these L&T will be offering. L&T is the topmost company in the construction field in India na? L&T, Yes, na? Shapoorji Palamji, GMR, right? These companies are very topmost companies you are having, na? Yes, absolutely. So L&T will be offering MTech as well as this is job opportunity, right? Yes, na? MTech in construction management in IIT Delhi and IIT Madras along with a job, right? You just be careful, right? So these admissions are started. So we just try to apply for this Build India scholarship, everyone. You go to L&T website and you can get that, okay? Is that clear, everyone? So based on your score, where you will be possible to get. If you want all these details in a detailed manner in NITs also, detailed cutoffs if you want in NITs also, you just text me. I'll be sending you all the PDFs, right? You can just check it, right? Structure mein kitna opening score, kitna closing score, right? Closing score, right? Like that in a different transportation mein kitna, environmental mein kitna, geotechnical mein kitna, right? Like that. If you just wanted to know all these things, you just text me. I'll be sending all the PDFs to you. Okay? Any doubts? Right, I'll be closing the session. Thank you guys.